Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 3 to the power of n minus 2 to the power of n equals to 35, and we will solve this problem for the real values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will rewrite this equation as, here we have 3 to the power of n, so we will multiply it and divide its exponent by 2. So we write 3 to the power of n and its whole power 2 over 2, minus, similarly we will multiply and divide this exponent by 2, and you get 2 to the power of n, and 2 over 2 equals to 35. So in the next step we will use here the nice exponential law, and according to this law we will multiply this 1 over 2 factor or 1 over 2 exponent by multiplied by n, so you get 3 to the power of n over 2 and its whole squared, minus here you get 2 to the power of n over 2 and its whole squared equals to 35. And after this step we will use here the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a squared minus b squared, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use this nice identity in the above term, so that our above expression will be written as 3 to the power of n over 2 minus 2 to the power of n over 2 into 3 to the power of n over 2 plus 2 to the power of n over 2, and this whole equals to 35. So here we just put this is a and we assume that this is b, and we put the values of a and b in this formula, and you will easily get this expression. So now you focus in the left hand side and you see that we have two factors, these are multiplied by each other, and in the right hand side we have only one factor, and we can write this 35 as 1 is multiplied by 35. So here we need this factor only, so we compare both of the sides, and then you will obtain here 3 to the power of n over 2 minus 2 to the power of n over 2 equals to 1, and when you compare this side, and then you will get here 3 to the power of n over 2 plus 2 to the power of n over 2 equals to 35. So here we obtain these two equations by comparing both of the sides. So in the next step we will just add these two terms, and we will get our final answer here. So if you add these two terms, here I can just write, we can just add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when you add, you see here this is the negative term and this is the positive term, so these two terms are gone and these are the like terms, so these are added and we get 2 times of 3 to the power of n over 2 equals to 1 plus 35 equals to 36. So here we move this 2 on the right hand side, or we can just divide both of the sides by 2. So when you divide both of the sides by 2, then you will get its output here. So these are gone and 2 18s are 36, so that here you just obtain 3 to the power of n over 2 equals to 18. And in the next step we need to find the value of n, so that we will just take the natural log on both of the sides. So here I can just write we take log on both of the sides, then you will get here its output log of 3 to the power of n over 2 equals to log of 18. And here we apply the property of log, and according to the property of logarithm we will move this exponent in the front of this log. So this expression will implies that n over 2 into log of 3 equals to, we have here 18s, and we can write 18 as 3 square multiplied by 2, because you see that 3 square is 9 and 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. So that we will just simplify these expressions and we will easily get the value of n. So here first we move this 2 in the right hand side, and you will get here n times of log 3 equals to 2 times of, here we apply the property of log and we will apply this log on both of the terms, and we add, we get here log 3 squared plus log of 2. And now in the next step, here first we divide both of the sides by log of 3, then you get here we divide both sides by log 3. So in the left hand side you see that these are gone, and here we get n equals to 2 times of, here we apply the property of log and you get 2 times of log 3 plus log 2, and this whole over log 3. So now you will use the calculator or logarithmic table to find the values of log. So in order to find here, then I can first put the values of log by using the calculator. So you get here n equals to 2 times of log 3, and you know that the value of log 3 will be, or now first I can little bit simplify this term, and after that I can put the values of log. So here you multiply this 2 on both of the terms, then you get 4 times of log 3 plus 2 times of log 2 over log 3. And now we separate these two terms, and you get, when you separate these two terms, then you get here 4 times of log 3 over log 3 and plus 2 times of log 2 over log 3. So here you see that these two terms are gone, and we will get here n equals to 4 plus 2 times of log 2, and we will put the value of log 2, which is 0.3010, and over log 3, and the value of log 3 is 0.4771. So now you will divide these two values here, and you get 4 plus 2 times of 0.3010 over 0.4771 equals to 0.6308. And now we multiply this 2 on this term, and you get here 4 plus 1.2618, and now we add these two terms, and you get here 5.2618. So this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.